Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're doing a neat trick with our parchment paper to make the perfect parchment circle, say that 3 times fast, to go on the bottom of our baking vessel. I'm starting with a sheet of parchment paper, and what I'm going to do is fold it in half, then turn it and fold it in half again, then fold on the angle, and on the angle one more time. Now I can line this up to the center of whatever it is that I'm trying to line. Cut along the edge, and you've got a perfect circle for the bottom of your baking vessel. Now it's not going to stick, and that's just the tip. I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know, what tips do you need?